When Chronic Law said this, I thought he was crazy.
Rather dep on a hillside when nobody not there for time to.
But as the day goes by and I start to get older, I see that being on a hillside far away from the creatures they call humans is the best option.
You know, say 99% of man that were dead in this world. You know, so them friend kill them. In a real life, you wanna really get out of this friend killer business. Wanna really get out of this friend killer? Eh? We don't really sit down and really meds more while like you see a man then where you sit down and drink with. See a man then where you cook and give. See a man then where you where if they in a then downtime over and them dog they not work. And you know you are work. You are pinch him a little thing same way. And them same set of man they want to kill you. Yo, let me tell you something. You know why some man dead more while in a life than we there? In a hard kind of way? Because what? They're not street smart, man. Yeah, man.
At the start of that music video, you could see him counting the money he has to pay the producer to mix and master his song. As he was driving to the studio, he put down the money in the car. But when he reached the studio, he ended up leaving the money inside of the car. When Chronic Law reached inside of the studio, he realized that he leave the money inside of the car and send his friend to go and get it. But when he reached the car, there was no money at the spot where they leave it.
You see, earlier when Chronic Law reached at the studio, there was another guy with them, but he told them he was going to make a phone call and steal the money.
What guy in a piece of phone in the brother?
I'm still fight there. I feel like man don't joke every day, brother.
Big money.
Where money there? Where you there? Where you there?
No, they don't care.
Joke now, I'm saying that's what I thought.
No time.
Are you a friend, you know? Right now, I cut off every money, you know, dog. I mean, one I go rolling on you. I feel like a joke.
Let me teach you something about friend. Every friend have a next friend. So sometimes the people them where you have as your friend don't have you as no friend. So when they yap and chat about things round them where you claim say your friend, them carry back your name to the people them where they have as for them friend. So that's why friend kill friend. Cause them not expect to get a bullet from them friend. And when they're dead and gone, people are gonna say, them a did friend. That's why me not keep friend.